so much easier than using a gas-powered vehicle.
Taking the car to school is so much faster. I don't even understand why people walk to school.
Here's the thing. You know, like at this article I'm reading about air pollution, it really matters, and our environment matters too. And I think you should learn more about it.
Bro, you're still thinking about that? It's not that big of a deal. Literally, people vape and it's not that serious. I don't know why you're stressing out.
You know what? How about let's go outside and I'll show you.
Fine.
Stuti, look around the air, it's really bad quality, and you know what causes that?
Bro, it's not just the air. It's packed with some nasty stuff like carbon monoxide, nitrogen oxides, and sulfur dioxides. It's all invisible, but it's still there.
So what's the big deal?
Dude, when the air is full of that junk, it's not just the planet that's getting wrecked. We are too. Every time we breathe, it's like we're soaking in poison, and that's not good for our bodies. All this dirty air doesn't only hurt us. It keeps the atmosphere warm, contributing to global warming. And it adds more pollution, and the more we look away, the more we are left with warmer days and the more intense storms.
Nandita?
Yeah?
I didn't realize that air pollution was that big of a deal right now.
I don't blame you. I mean, it's a common misunderstanding these days.
So do you know the smog outside?
Yeah?
It also causes air pollution by forming nitrogen oxides such as VOCs, and it comes from factories and cars, and that reacts with sunlight, creating an ozone layer, which makes it even more difficult to breathe in. And we want to keep clean air.
Wait, are you serious? I just thought that it made the sky look really bad. I didn't realize that air pollution was actually a problem.
Yeah, factories actually burn a lot of fossil fuels like coals and oils from equipment, but they also create smog, which is harmful to our lungs. Wait, I actually found a video. It's really helpful. You want to see it?
Let's dive into two solutions, which can help solve the problem of air pollution. One solution is to begin using solar panels instead of burning fossil fuels. Solar is renewable, meaning that it doesn't emit unpleasant greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide, and it minimizes the smog that we're experiencing.
Another thing which you can examine is the way we farm. Conventional farming uses chemical fertilizers and pesticides which emit harmful gases into the atmosphere. But newer ways of farming, such as vertical farming or hydroponics, actively help the environment. These methods utilize less water and land and can even be performed indoors, which translates to less large-scale farming that destroys ecosystems.
These types of farming are more environmentally friendly as they don't need chemical pesticides. They utilize less water and land compared to conventional farming. Also, hydroponics and vertical farming can be practiced within cities, nearer to people's homes, which decreases the carbon footprint of food transport. These techniques decrease emissions and can even help provide a cleaner air in their area, as they are less reliant on their fossil fuels.
Farming can actually be part of the solution, not just the problem. New farming practices such as these can enhance biodiversity and overall cut down on air pollution. If we concentrate on employing smarter, more sustainable forms of agriculture, we can play our role in reducing climate change and saving our ecosystems while continuing to grow the food which we require.